Hi guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. ASEAN stock turn risk on ahead of US CPI reading by Amber Warwick. Investing.com ASEAN stock market rose on Monday as investors await more signal that US inflation is cooling, with better technology stock gaining the most. Weakness in the US dollar as it retreated further from 20-year hike also benefit risk appetite. But a market holiday in Hong Kong and China keep trading volumes in the region largely muted. Taiwan's heavy weighted index was the best performer in the region, rising 1.8%. Indexes in Japan and Australia rose more than 1% each. The Philippines PSEI Composite was the best performer in Southeast Asia, adding 1.2%. Regional stock took positive cues from Wall Street early on Friday, where major U.S. indexes snapped a three-week losing streak. Technology stock, which have been bettered by raising U.S. interest rate this year, were the best performance. Investing are now weighting key U.S. Consumer Price Index CPI data for August, due on Tuesday. The reading is expected to show that U.S. inflation retreated further from 40-year high hit earlier this year. A softer reading is broadly expected to extend a stock market rally, given that it will indicate that steep interest rate hike by the Federal Reserve this year are working as intended. Easing inflation will eventually see the Fed lower its pace of rate hikes. But the Fed has indicated that rates will continue to rise sharply in the near term. Markets are pricing in a over 90% chance that the central bank will raise rate by 75 basis points, the upper end of expectation when it meets next week. Rising interest rates have largely bettered ASEAN stock market this year as they narrowed the gap between returns on high and low risk investment. Technology stock in particular bore the brunt of the selling, but easing US inflation could help bring down expectation of higher interest rate eventually, which is expected to be boost for stock market. ASEAN stock markets still have to contend with slowing economic growth in China, the region's largest trading hub. Expensive commodity import due to strength in dollar are also expected to profit economic headwinds in the near term. Most Asian stock markets sank on Wednesday amid growing fears of more monetary policy tightening by the Fed, while weaker than expected China's trade data also weighed on sentiment. Tech-heavy Taiwan and Hong Kong stock were the worst performers in the region, losing 1.6% and 1.8%, respectively, amid jitter offers reaching U.S. interest rates. Japan's Nikkei 225 fell 0.5%, while South Korea's Kospi also fell 1.8%. Sentiment toward Asian market was dented by China's trade data, which came in significantly below expectation for August. China's trade surplus fell sharply from the prior month, with both export and import seeing large contraction. The trading comes a new COVID-related disruption and energy shortage weighed heavily on economic activity over the past month. However, China's stock bucked the trend on Wednesday as investors bet on more stimulus measures by the government to support growth. But the blue chip, Shanghai Shenzhen CSE 300 and the Shanghai Composite Index trade flat. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.